So, today is February 1st. Check this out. February 1st.
I'm in Alaska.
We're standing in the middle of the blizzard here in Chicago. Yeah, it is a blizzard. Look at all the snow. It's a blizzard. And I have no gloves on. Babe, what do you think? There's like no cars hardly outside. Ugh. Yeah. Look at that wind. Woo! Babe, what do you think? Freaking freezing my hands off. Look at the snow. Oh, I made a track. Let's see. Oh! It's cold. It's really, really cold. Ooh. I think it's time to go back inside, babe. Green Bay. Go Green Bay. Crazy ass. We're standing in the middle of a blizzard. Can't feel my hands, hon. Make a snow angel in the snow.